Let's starting. In this session, we are going to discuss PySpark integration with AWS. Let's start understanding what are the concepts we are going to cover as part of PySpark integration with AWS team. Okay, first we'll start with PySpark PySpark integration with AWS Amazon Web Services introduction. So you'll understand how we can integrate with uh, different AWS services. Second, we are going to start understanding. Um, we are going to discuss AWS EC2 instance, AWS EC2 instance creation. Okay. Next, we are going to see how to connect, VS Code, Microsoft Visual Studio Code with AWS EC2 over SSH. Then we are going to see how to install PySpark on AWS EC2 instance using VS Code. Then we are going to discuss PySpark integration with different AWS services. Different AWS services like AWS S3, AWS RDS, AWS Redshift, AWS DynamoDB, and many more services too. Many more services. Yep. Let me add important point. Prerequisites for this course. So first one, you need to have Python knowledge. Second one, you need to have PySpark knowledge. You need to have Python knowledge. You need to have PySpark knowledge. You need to have AWS fundamentals knowledge. So this one mainly who are eligible for this one. So first one, data engineers like AWS data engineer. Even though we are covering Most of the time we are focusing PySpark with different AWS services. This knowledge will help to other engineers, other data engineers like Azure data engineers, Azure data engineers, and GCP data engineers team. This knowledge will help them what happening with the PySpark, how pure PySpark can be used to integrate with AWS different services. Similar way, in their cloud also, let's say Azure, GCP, there also they may have similar kind of services. Let's say AWS S3, Azure having Azure Blob, GCP having Google Cloud Storage. So based on this knowledge, you can try to integrate with your cloud service system. So that's why who are eligible to this PySpark integration with AWS means I can say data engineers. So mainly for AWS data engineers and other data engineers, it is just help to integrate their services. Okay. Yeah. In future, if you get chance to work on multi-cloud data engineering, in future, if you get such kind of opportunity, then this course will help 100% to your data engineering skill set.